Hi everybody, so a little bit of an update. We are now in the new building and all of the birds have been moved over. So I'm in the bird room currently. We have a little yellow shoulder up on a stand. Of course we have our beautiful black palm sitting out today. Looking beautiful. Then I have one of our baby green wings hanging out. So we are getting very close to reopening and getting everything in and settled. I will be posting an update of our plans and how we will be handling grooming and boarding and in-store shopping on both the website. I will wait for them to finish calling for attention. I will be posting information about the plans moving forward on both our website and our Facebook page. But if anybody has any questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out. And they're all getting settled. Now they have to remember what it's like to share their attention with the camera. Nala, what are you doing? Hi, Nala. Give me kisses. Thank you. Good girl. All right, everybody. I can't wait for you guys to be able to come back in the store and see everything all set up. But I will be posting all the pertinent information very, very soon.